Mabuhay. This is Alexi Fernandez from Davao City. Mayong gabi sa tanan akong followers, viewers, and supporters, even likers and sharers. Guys, at this moment na ako sa Chichiran Japanese restaurant. Located siya sa corner Palma Hill Street. Palma Hill Street, Ponciano, Davao City. First time na ako sa kaning Japanese nga restaurant in Davao City. Actually, daghang Japanese restaurant sa Davao City, pero iba ang ilang produkto, guys. Very amazing. This is ramen noodles. Japanese ramen noodles. Before I forgot, guys, na pas na ipakapin ice cream.